Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're using TYMEBANK and hitting that daily spending limit, you're not stuck there. We're going to walk through exactly how to bump up your limit so you can access more of your own money. Step 1. Open your TYMEBANK app and make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Tap on your profile icon or account menu, usually found at the bottom or top right of the screen. Step 2. Look for settings or account options in that menu. You'll see several different choices, but you want to find the one labeled Limits, Restrictions, or Transaction Limits. Step 3. Once you're in the Limits section, you'll see your current daily withdrawal and spending limits displayed. These show exactly how much you can use each day. Step 4. Tap on the daily limit you want to increase, whether that's for cash withdrawals or card purchases. The app will then prompt you to verify your identity for security purposes. Step 5. Complete the verification process by answering security questions, confirming your identity details, or using your biometric data like your fingerprint. After verification, you can request a new higher limit. The app will either approve it instantly or send you a notification within a few hours. Your updated limit should reflect immediately, giving you more flexibility with your money.